Are you encountering an internal server error while trying access Roundcube webmail? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to fix this webmail frustrating issue and get your email and running smoothly again.
Let's start the tutorial. I purchased the VPS from HostingGuard, but VPS is totally unmanaged server. To manage the server, I use hestiamail app, a totally free alternative to cPanel. If you want to purchase any server from HostingGuard using my link, you will get 10% discount. Step 1. I use current operating system Ubuntu 22.04. In this VPS now I need to log in the server. Step 2. I open the bit advice and then I copy my IP. This is the IP address and root is username. Then I try to log in. I put my password here. It successfully logged in. Now I click the new terminal console. I open the bit advice and log in into the VPS. Now here is the black box, some text. Don't worry about that. I'll clear it now. So I write here, so clear command, then press enter, then everything is clear. So step 3. Now I will try to access webmail link, but at this moment I get an error message like oops, something went wrong. Now the question is, how can I fix this issue? So I have a solution. So I go to the step 4 and again open the black box. Then I copy 2 lines. Here is my command. So I copy the first command and click here, press enter. Then I again copy the second line. Now if I reload this webmail link, I think it's working. I reload now. So you see it's Roundcube webmail is open. So now I log in my webmail. So this is my webmail. I copy the username and copy the password again. It's working. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment.